Welcome to driving school with your teacher, Random Idiot. Here you'll learn very quickly and safely how to drive a car. Before we begin, please make sure that you're allowed to drive a vehicle, so it's best to get your mum's or dad's or parole officer's permission first. Now once you have permission, we can begin the lesson. Okay, let's begin. Driving a car is very straightforward. I've been driving my car for several hours, so it shouldn't take you much longer to learn yourself. As you can see, we are inside a room, and I was unable to drive my car in here at the moment. But don't worry, I will be able to simulate a car experience for you. Now in order to access the car seat and start driving, you'll first need to unlock the car. Thankfully, I have the key right here, so I'm just going to unlock the car now. It's not working. One sec. Okay, we're in. Now once you're sitting in the car seat, make sure that the seat is comfortable and that you can see outside the window so that you can be able to drive. So I'm just going to adjust my seat now. Okay, that's better. If you have a seatbelt in the car, then put it on. It's stuck. One sec. Okay, I got it. Now, go ahead and turn on the ignition. There we go. Next, you should notice some pedals on the floor. These pedals are designed to make the car go forward and backwards and potentially slow down as well. You'll want to press down on the pedals with either your feet or your hands, whatever's comfortable for you. I will just press down on the acceleration pedal now just to show you what that looks like. Here we go. Wasn't easy, mainly because I've got my seatbelt on. As you can see, the car is moving forwards. Now that you've got a bit of speed in your car, you'll next want to use your steering wheel. It should be located on the floor, so you're going to want to pick it up. I just need to unbuckle my seatbelt to pick up the steering wheel, otherwise I won't be able to reach it. Okay, I can pick it up now. Try turning the steering wheel ever so gently, and then you'll notice the car will change direction. Now you are successfully driving. I'll now just put my seatbelt back on for a bit of extra safety. Now the very final thing that I'll be showing you today is arguably the most important. As we can see, we are successfully driving the car, but what if all of a sudden the car catches on fire? In this instance, you'll need to dive roll out of the vehicle. Firstly, you're going to want to put your steering wheel down because you're not going to be needing that anymore. Next, it's just a case of dive rolling out of the vehicle, so I'll just show you how that's done. Oh, I forgot my seatbelt's on. It's jammed. Help. Help. I can't get it off. Help me. Help. What do I do? Help me. Oh, I need to press it. There we go. And that's how to drive a car. I've managed to get the car inside of the room at long last. Here it is. Now, just imagine that this is you inside of the car. Well, don't imagine crashing the car into the ground. That probably won't happen to you. Just imagine that you're in it, in the car, and you're just driving around without the crashing. The very final thing that I need to teach you is useful phrases that you can say to other drivers while you're driving. This is done to help your confidence as a driver and also to help communicate with other drivers while you're out on the road. Here are the phrases. Learn how to drive. How did you pass your test? Get off the pavement, my car is coming through. I'm sorry for speeding, officer. I thought if I would drive fast enough, you wouldn't be able to catch me. And that completes your driving lesson. I hope now that this gives you the tools necessary to be able to drive, and I'll make sure to look out for you on the road. I'm going to go now and continue practicing my driving, so I'll catch you all later. See you. So I've been practicing driving now for a while, and this is what you should be aiming for. That's it. Slow down, maniac. Oh my goodness. That's going to be a very expensive insurance claim. Please take the next left and you have arrived at your destination. You have now arrived at your destination.